guys, this is Allie with Points and a Passport, and today I wanted to talk about the American Express Business Platinum Card. Bum-ba-dum. Okay. So if you don't know already, the American Express Platinum Card this month went through a big change. It's a pretty big negative change. It went from $450 annually for this card to $595, which is pretty high for a premier credit card. So I'm gonna kind of delve into what you're gonna get with the credit card and whether it's worth it for you and why I signed up for it because of this amazing benefit that I'm gonna discuss at the end. First thing I'd like to say is I don't work for American Express. This in no way is being compensated by American Express. So take with it what you would like and leave the rest. All right, let's get into this. The first thing you're gonna get when you sign up for this card is the sign up bonus, 50,000 Amex points after you spend $10,000 within 3 months. If you do spend 20,000 or more, you're gonna get 75,000 Amex points, which is a lot of Amex points, but to get that $20,000, that's a lot of spend. For some people, that's obviously not a problem. Your business expenses far exceed that. In my case, it's gonna be pretty difficult for me to get to that amount, but who knows? All right. When I received my card, it came in this little nice box with everything. It gave you all of the benefits. So I kind of looked through these benefits and decided to put them in the order that I think, and I just put them out of order. First benefit that I love and that I think I'll get a lot of use out of is the $200 airline fee credit. Next year, if you don't plan on keeping the card, you get $400 of basically free airline travel. Google it. I always choose Delta for this benefit, and I buy myself e-gift cards with it. Look it up online so that you do it right, but that is a benefit and still active. The next benefit, which is the one that I absolutely love the most, and let me just say that in December, well actually it was more in January that I actually canceled the credit card, but I had the Amex personal credit card, and a few weeks ago I was at the airport and there was a Centurion Lounge and I was almost crying because I wasn't able to take advantage of the Centurion Lounge benefit. But now that I have my Platinum card, I'm able to take advantage of it once again. This is really great if you're someone who loves lounge access, if you're somebody who wants to get to airports early or you have a lot of layovers. This is a great benefit. You get priority pass. You also get any American Express lounge, which includes all the Centurion lounges, and Sky Lounge if you fly on Delta. So it is really great for me. I'm someone who loves taking advantage of that, have some free drinks, and then get on my flight. So definitely a great benefit. The next one that I like a lot is the gold status with Hilton Honors, Starwood Preferred. This is a great benefit. Immediately sign up, get your gold status, and then see if you can do any status matches. So this is a great benefit if you're somebody that does stay in these properties a lot. Gold still at certain ones, I think at Hilton it still allows you to get access to a free breakfast, so that's a pretty nice benefit. Look into this more, but if you are somebody who stays at Marriott's and Hilton's a lot, it is a great benefit. So the next one is 5 times points on anything that you book through Amex Travel. If you are booking a lot through Amex Travel, it's nice to get 5 points per dollar. That's pretty generous. Amex points are very valuable. You can transfer them to a lot of airline partners, so this is a great benefit, definitely worth taking advantage of. The next one is earn up to 1 million. I love how they say that, but you have to spend like so much to get that 1 million Amex points, but you can earn up to 1 million additional points with 1.5 times points on business purchases. There are better business credit cards where you can get a lot more than 1.5 points per dollar, but again, if you're getting the credit card and you're going to put some of your business purchases on here, 1.5 times membership rewards is better than 1, so still a good benefit. And last but not least, in my case, this won't matter because my business is solely mine, and I'm gonna get into why I signed up for this credit card, which none of these benefits would have made me sign up for the credit card. It's the one I'm about to discuss. But before I discuss it, there is a great benefit if you are an employer and you do have a number of employees. You are able to take advantage of this, which is you can add additional employee cards, and also you can find out how they're spending and using their cards. So good benefit. I won't get much use out of it. Okay, with all that said, when Amex came out and said in December that they were going to raise the annual fee, they also mentioned some benefits that you're going to get because of that. And one of those benefits, which is the main reason that I signed up, is the WeWork benefit. You might have seen I haven't posted a video in a long time that had to do with my previous company. I was working with a company for a year, and then I decided to kind of pivot and start my own business. I was looking at different WeWork spaces since it's just going to be me work out of, and I really like WeWork. We have a number number of them in my city, and they're really located all over the world. And so if you're somebody who finds that you're more productive when you're working around people and when you can hold meetings and you get free coffee and all that, that benefit was amazing, because I was already looking at WeWork and I was looking at spending roughly $200 a month on having my own space, but really I wanted something where on the go I can work in pretty much anywhere that I go. And this benefit for me and for anyone who is looking to create their own business or already has a startup and is using a WeWork, this is an amazing, amazing benefit. It is 1 year of free global access. So basically, wherever you are, you're able to go into a WeWork and get a desk and hold meetings, meet other people, get involved in the community events. So it's really, really great if you're just starting out your business to be a part of WeWork, and that they're offering that benefit for, I guess, just the annual fee if you want to think about it like that. So $595 versus $2,700 that benefit would cost. So that was far and away the main reason that I decided to sign up for the card. I think it might even be Amex's way of tapping into that millennial market. You tend to see a lot of people that have the Amex Platinum, whether it's for business or personal. They're a little bit older than I'd say Chase customers are, or at least the Chase preferred group is, and maybe they're trying to tap into that for, you know, business entrepreneurs and tech entrepreneurs. And this is one great benefit that I think we'll see that kind of that transition maybe over time. The other one is you get $100 statement credit semi-annually for Dell products. I don't know if I'm going to be taking advantage of that, but if you are someone that's looking into, I think that they have some type of they have a lot of different products for different types of businesses, so that might be beneficial as well. I left a link down below for all of the benefits that I talked about. You can't actually join WeWork until I believe it starts on the 12th, and you'll be able to sign up on the 8th, which is 2 days from now. I'll have more information about that, and maybe I'll leave it in the comments below as I learn more, but I'm really excited to take advantage of that. That about wraps up the American Express Business Platinum Card. Do you have the card? Are you looking at signing up for the card? Are you looking at canceling the card? Let me know in the comments below. I look forward to seeing you guys in later videos.